Hi, this is Jeremy Bradshaw from MarineMax in Venice. This is one of my new listings. This is a beautiful 2023 Harris float boat 250 Grand Mariner. So the Grand Mariner has been a very popular boat. This boat only has about 17 hours on it. This is ideal for larger families. What a lot of people really like about the boat, well, number one, with the blue and silver, very sharp. Let me back step a little bit. This one is a tri-tune. So this one also has the performance package with lifting strakes. So this gives you a lot more stability right here, and the lifting strakes in the back will get the boat up. So in the front, you can board the boat up here, or this is ideal if you're pulling up to a sandbar. You do have the docking lights, so if you're coming in late at night or something, that works out really well. This particular one also is a saltwater edition, which gives you sacrificial anoids and things along that line. Added a power pole, so this is awesome. So once again, we talked about the sandbar, pull up at the beach, you can put the power pole down. Works out great. This one does have the upgraded 250. This is going to be your 250 V8. Horsepower to weight ratio is awesome. Once again, about 17 hours on the boat. And this boat, when you see it online, which will be on MarineMax, Boat Trader, Yacht World, and sites like that, it's probably the least expensive one out there by far. And unfortunately, health just is forcing the sale of the boat. But coming in, we'll go through some more cool stuff. We've got our ski topo right here. So once again, when you're coming in, gives you a little bit more stability. And if you're pulling, the kids on water toys, that works out great. Really nice color combination with your tan and all the stitching all the way around. A lot of people love the tower. A lot of people love all the shade you get with the dual biminis. So that's an expensive option from Harris, and this particular boat has it. And Harris has always been known to build a very high quality pontoon or tri-tune, if you will. Excellent engineering. All the materials are, top end, top shelf type things. Up front, we've got lots of storage up here. So this is like the ultimate party boat. So it's 25 feet long. So, you could have 10, 12 people, no problem whatsoever. Very comfortable with the Grand Mariner. This boat has a lot of upgrades to it. This one does have the upgraded JL sound system. Also, the speakers are in the back. So if you're hanging out behind the boat, you've got speakers in the stern that go that way. So that gives you a little bit easier for entertaining. You've got a subwoofer on it. This one does have your Simrad GPS. Of course, it's a 2023 digital throttle and shift right here. This is the control for your power pole. So the boat's in excellent condition. It's again about 17 hours on the 250 Verado. It's also located here at MarineMax in Venice. Recap, 2023 Harris Grand Mariner, located here at MarineMax in Venice. My name's Jeremy Bradshaw. I'm the listing broker. Feel free to give me a ring. My number is 941-376-3345. Thanks again for taking the time. We hope to talk to you soon. Bye-bye.